guys, what is this? These are Irish coffee shots, okay? We got you covered, man. We got everything. Ice in our glass, followed by some Irish whiskey. Come behind it with some coffee liqueur, okay? Beautiful. And then we shake those two ingredients together, okay? Strain that into a glass, all right? You notice these little bear mug shot glasses? And then we put some heavy whipping cream on top. Check this out, okay? Look at that, all right? So it kind of looks like Irish coffee, even though it's not, okay? And I know some of you guys, why you putting cream and liquor? It's bad. Homeboy, what you think Irish cream is? That's liquor and cream, all right? Just open your mind, okay? Open your gullet and try new things. You can't spend the rest of your life drinking Budweiser. Not that I'm knocking you, bud, okay? Domestic beer. All right? See, this is cool. Bobby liked it, all right? I let her go first. Anyway, listen, for more cool drinks like this for your next party, come over to tipsybartender.com. We got you covered. Put your little playlist together of what you need to make. We got you. Stay tipsy.